Since the dawn of time, the proverbial square peg, round hole dilemma has been a challenge, often causing more than a little frustration. Fast forward to the industrial age. Factories working feverishly on their respective products, and the challenge of the square peg, round hole dilemma still exists. The truth is, with better design and communication tools, you can make a square peg fit into a round hole. In today's world, integrating electronics designs with mechanical components can present the same square peg, round hole dilemma yet again, often resulting in poor decisions and less than optimal products. Let's be honest, the tools used to design the mechanical assembly and the electronics design tools are often like people speaking different languages. And when the tools for each department are not synchronized, communication breaks down, resulting in costly and time-consuming blunders and rework. There has to be a better way. Enter SOLIDWORKS PCB, a fully integrated solution for product and electronics designers, bringing these once often disjointed operations together into a single, cohesive environment. With SOLIDWORKS PCB, your mechanical and electronics design teams are always working from the same page. And with PCB's easy-to-use interface and integration with other SOLIDWORKS design tools, there will be less rework, improved workflow, and faster production. Take the guesswork out of electronics-based product design, simplify the process, and focus on designing great products. Recharge your electronics product design by synchronizing your electronics and mechanical design processes, doing it faster and better with SOLIDWORKS PCB. To learn more about SOLIDWORKS PCB, contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller or visit our website at www.solidworks.com. SOLIDWORKS PCB. Collaborative, synchronized, the next dimension for electronics design.